Revision on linear equation in one variable. Let us revise some concepts. So 2x minus 3, this is an algebraic expression. It is formed from arithmetic operators. Here it is multiplication and subtraction, constant, 3, variable, x. So our algebraic expressions is made up of constants, variables and arithmetic operators. Now if I put the equals to sign and write some number here, then it can be a number, it can be expression, anything. So this is now an equation. An equation consists of equals to sign. This is equals to sign. And this is called, this is your right hand. So this is called right hand side of the equation. This is your left hand. So this is called left hand side of the equation. This equation which I have written here is a linear equation in one variable. You can clearly see I have used only one variable. That is how it is one variable. Why it is linear? Because the power of the variable is 1. Here the power is 1. That is why this is linear equation in one variable. Now let us solve this equation. So we are going to use transpose method here. So after solving it, you are going to get the solution of the equation. Let us solve it. So when you change the sign will change. Minus will become plus. So 7 plus 3 is 10. This side it is multiplied. When it goes to the other side, it will be divided. So 10 by 2 is 5. So 5 is the solution of this equation. What is the solution? Solution is that value of the variable. Whenever you put it in the equation, the left hand side becomes equals to right hand side. So this, let us put the solution in the left hand side of the equation. The left hand side is 2x minus 3. So if I put the value of x here as 5, what you are going to get? 10 minus 3 is 7, which is equals to RHS. So we said 5 is the solution of the equation. Why? Because it is that value of the variable. Whenever you put it in this equation, you will get left hand side equals to right hand side. Here is one problem on linear equation. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. Most of the questions in linear equation in one variable can be solved by just assuming that as a variable which they ask you to find. So here they have asked you to find their present ages. So you can assume either the mother's age to be x or Sahil's age to be x. Since it says the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil, so you can take present age of Sahil to be x. Even you can take mother's age to be x. Anything you can take, but it will be easy for you to take the present age of Sahil be x. So let the present age of Sahil be x. So mother's age is 3 times Sahil's age. So the present age of mother is 3x. Now it says after 5 years their ages will add up to 66. Suppose you are currently 13 years old. This is your present age. How old you will be after 5 years? What you will do? You will add plus 5 to that. So 13 plus 5, that means after 5 years you will be 18. So what you do to the present age? You have added 5. Similarly, now Sahil's age after 5 years will be x plus 5. Okay, and mother's age will be, so Sahil's age after 5 years is x plus 5 is Sahil's age after 5 years, and mother's age after 5 years will be 3x plus 5, and together their ages add up to 66. So Sahil's age after 5 years Mother's age after 5 years adds up to 66. So this is 4x, x plus x is 4x, and 5 plus 5 is 10. This is 66. So 4x is equals to 66. When you change the sign will change, plus will become minus. So 4x is equals to 56. So here you have multiplied, this side it will come in the denominator, you cross multiply. So 56 divided by 4, 14. 14 fours are 56. So Sahil's age is currently 14 years. Mother's is 3 times. This is your mother's age, 3x. So 3 into 14. 42 years. Before we solve this question, let us quickly recall what is transpose method. In transpose method, when you change the side, you change the sign. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. So now let us do this question using the transpose method. So the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So we have to do this question. So before we do this question, let us take one two-digit number and write it in the expanded form. So for example, 53 is a two-digit number. This is units place and this is tens place. So you multiply tens place by 10 and unit digit is written as it is. Now if you interchange the digits means it is 35. Unit digit will come to tens digit will go to unit digit. So expanded form will be 3 is multiplied to 10 plus 5. Now let us see this question now. If the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. So let us assume the units digit to be x. So let the unit digit be x. So what will be in the tens digit? They differ by 3. So therefore the tens digit is x plus 3. So what is the original number? Original number. So this is the units digit, we write as it is. Tens digit x plus 3 is multiplied by 10. X plus 3 is multiplied by 10 because this is in tens place. So what is the number? 10 into x is 10x. 10 into 3 is 30. So this is 10x plus 30 plus x. So 10x plus x is 11x plus 30. So this is your original number. Now it says if the digits are interchanged. So let us interchange the digits. That means we are going to swap these two digits. Now unit digit is x plus 3 and tens digit is x. Unit digit is x plus 3, tens digit is x. So the new number, what is the new number? Tens digit is multiplied by this x is multiplied by 10 and this unit digit is written as it is x plus 3. So 10x plus x is 11x plus 3. So if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. That means original number when you add it to the new number, you should get it as 143. That means 11x plus 30. This is the original number plus the number after interchanging the digit is 11x plus 3. That is equals to 143. So 11x plus 11x is 22x, and this 30 plus 3 is 33. This side it is plus. When it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 33. So 143 minus 33 is 110. This is 22x. So x, here it is multiplied. When it goes to the other side, it will be divided. So you can cancel this. 11 was 11, 11 2 is 22, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So you get the unit digit x as 5. So x is equals to 5, and x plus 3 is equals to 5 plus 3, that is equals to 8. So the original number, that is what they have asked you to find the original number. So what is the original number? In units digit, it is 5, and in tens digit, it is 8 because it is x plus 3. So the number is 85. So you can check your answer. How are you going to check it? 85, when you interchange, you get 58. When you add, you get answer as 143. So let us now understand how to solve this problem. The question is, Pragya has a total of rupees 590. How much money she has? She has totally 590 rupees as a currency notes in the denomination of rupees 50, 20 and 10. So what all notes she has? Rupees 50 notes she has, rupees 20 notes she has, and rupees 10 notes she has. The ratio of the number of rupees 50 is to 20. So 50 is to 20. How many notes are there? How many notes are there? Okay, number of notes. For 50 rupees, it is say 3x, and for 20 rupees, it is 5x because they are in the ratio 3 is to 5. So for rupees 20, it is 5x. If she has a total of rupees 25 notes, that means this you have to subtract from 25 the number of notes of 50 rupees and 20 rupees. You get the number of notes of 10 rupees. So number of notes of 10 rupees is 25 minus 3x plus 5x. So that is the number of notes. So how much is the value for this rupees amount? How much is the amount of 50 rupees? 50 into 3x. So that is 150x. And how much is the amount of 20 rupees? You need to multiply 20 into 5x. So that is 100x. And for 10 rupees, how much it is? The value 10 into 25 minus 8x. So that is 25 into 10 is 250 minus 80x. So this add up to how much? 590, right? So let us frame the equation now. 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x. So this is the amount of 50 rupees, this is the amount of 20 rupees, this is the amount of 10 rupees. Totaling, if you add up all this amount, it should have to add up to 590. So let us add up all the variables. So 150 plus 100 is 250x. This I am bringing it this side, so it is minus 80x. When you change this side of 250 from left hand side to right hand side, the sign will change from plus to minus. So this is 590 minus 250 is 340, and 250 minus 80x is 170x. So x is equals to, this is multiplied. So when you take it to the other side, it will be divided, or you can say you have cross multiplied it. So you get 170. So this is 2. So you got the value of x is 2. So number of notes, because that is what they want. How many notes of each denominations? These are the denominations. So how many notes of each denomination? 3x, 5x and 25 minus 8x. So number of notes for rupees 50, it is 3x. So value of x is 2. So x is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. For rupees 20, it is 5x. So that is equals to 5 into 2, that is 10. For rupees 10, it is 25 minus 8x. You can simply subtract 16 from 25 also, you can get the same thing. So here it is 25 minus 8 into 2, that is 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. So for 50 rupees, you have got 6 notes, 20 rupees 10 notes, 10 rupees 9 notes. So if you add up after multiplying 50 to 6, 20 to 10 and 10 to 9, you will add up, get 590 rupees. Now let us solve this question. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. You have to find the rational number. So here they have given the relationship between denominator and numerator. It says denominator is greater than numerator by 8. So let us assume the numerator to be x. So let the numerator be x. Therefore, the denominator is, it is 8 more. So x plus 8. Denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So what is the rational number? Therefore, the rational number is numerator x, denominator x plus 8. Now it says the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. Then what do you obtain? 3 by 2. So now you have got the equation you need to solve. So here you can cross multiply it. So when you cross multiply, it goes in the numerator 2 into x plus 17. And when you cross multiply this, 8 minus 1 is 7. So this 3 is multiplied to x plus 7. We will apply distributive property here to solve this. So 2 into x is 2x. 17 into 2 is 34. And here 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 7 is 21. Now let us take 2x that side. So you get 3x is equals to minus 2x because plus will become minus. Now 34 written as it is plus 21, take it to the other side, becomes minus 21. So this is x is equals to 13. We are assigning 13 to x, so we write it as x is equals to 13. So you got the value of x is equals to 13. What is the rational number? X upon x plus 8. So what is the rational number now? The rational number x is 13 and x is 13, denominator is x plus 8. So 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is 21. So the rational number is 13 upon 21.